for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least you showed up, you showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me, yeah. Water like misery. It's coming down on me, yeah. I'm ready, rain on me. At least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me. Oh my God! Here we go! Put your hooves together, man. Sing it, come on. Rain on me, yeah. Come on, y'all. Hands up to the sky. I'll be a galaxy. I'm about to fly. Rain on me, tsunami. Hands up to the sky. I'll be a galaxy. I'm about to fly. Woo! Coming down, rain on me. Rain on me.
Wow. Jess.
The bull has done it again.
Yeah.
Well, I am. Welcome to the Masked Singer. Come on. That's never, ever happened on this stage before. You did a kick, and you almost kicked one of your horns off.
I never seen no bull do no back kick they hoof up.
Crazy, right?
That was pure talent. That was natural up there, my dude.
Yeah.
By the way, is it real that you're that worried about your competition?
Every single time.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, tonight we're seeing how our singers are connected to the panel. So I'm going to send a clue to the panelists that our singer has a connection with. And I'm going to shoot it by using a contraption that I created myself from my own design.
Uh-oh.
Is it really?
What's this?
The bling shot.
Is this made of diamonds?
Ooh, I like it.
Wow.
What is this?
Do we get a free diamond if we catch it?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, that is very bling.
Oh, Nick Cannon with the cannon.
Yeah.
Exactly.
There you go, Phil. I'm the rover.
I got some blonde ambition in me. I'm going to get
Get
this.
it up in the air. Oh, almost. Almost.
Ah, man,
Almost,
it's right
not bad.
there.
Robin and I will get it.
I got it.
Yeah, with teamwork.
Whoa, whoa. Jenny.
Yeah, let me just stick my
How'd we
boot
do?
back in.
How'd we do?
The clue is ring.
Ring.
Oh, got it.
No way! That quick?
No, for real, for real.
Will, we have more in common than you think. Does that ring a bell?
Oh.
So,
He knows you.
you, him, and a ring.
Me, him, and a ring.
Chicago Bulls ring.
Super
Bowl ring. Super Bowl halftime show.
Super Bowl
There was,
ring,
did the Super
ring.
Bowl.
Oh, wait. Okay, look. I got a ring for Christmas 2 years ago.
Okay.
Somebody broke into my car and stole that bitch.
Oh, maybe it was.
You fit in perfectly on this show.
Yep. I love it. I love it. I love it. Maybe the rings is like, you know, Billy Porter was on the New Year's Eve show and he was ringing in the New Year metaphor.
Okay.
So I'm thinking Billy Porter. Yes.
Okay.
Well, we're talking triple threat. Yeah. So we got Usher. He can do it all. We got
Okay.
Jason Derulo. He
yeah,
was
Usher.
dancing all up in there. Neo. I don't know. Take your pick.
I mean, sometimes the clues, all they do is throw you for a loop.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And that's what Bull has done all season. But you don't have to worry because you're going to be here all the way through.
Yes.
The Bull did an incredible job. Y'all got to keep it going for him.